When this journey started, everything felt so surreal. Packing for this was just different from other trips. I was excited, in disbelief, and honestly, a bit overwhelmed. There's so much I wanted to get done and have said about this place and what makes it special. And suddenly, we're on our way, from home to airport to long flights, crossing continents and oceans, heading further south than I've ever been before. The moment I first felt in Antarctica was a few hours after we have arrived. It was quiet. Not like forest quiet, but like quiet as in nothing moved. No animals, no bugs, no noise, no nothing. And yet it was one of the most powerful places I've ever stood. In this vast Antarctic landscape, which was so powerful, yet so fragile. It doesn't shout, it doesn't demand attention. In a world where everything's about getting heard, that's exactly where this place is at risk of falling into the background, of losing its voice. Antarctica is so expansive, so vast, that if we divide into equal pieces, we all have a slice of about 10 tennis fields. That's responsibility that lives within each and every one of us. Every single one of us carries that piece of Antarctica. We're all responsible in our small way.